Hey there, little learners. Welcome to today's fun adventure in learning. We're going to discover the amazing world of numbers. Are you ready to count with me? Let's start by meeting our friends, the numbers. Look, here they are. This is number 1. And this is number 2. Here's number 3. Here is number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. And finally, this is number 10. Now that we know our numbers, let's count some fun things together. Can you help me count these apples? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you count the balloons with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balloons. You're a counting superstar. Now, let's play a game. I'm going to show you a number, and you have to guess how many objects match that number. Are you ready? 4 books. You got it. Rigged transition. Repeat the game with a few different numbers and objects, encouraging the kids to count along. What number is this? It's number 3. Let's count the numbers together. 1, 2, 3. You did an amazing job today, learning all about counting and numbers. Remember, numbers are all around us, and counting is so much fun. Keep practicing, and you'll be a counting champion in no time. Thanks for joining me on this counting adventure. Don't forget to come back and learn even more. See you next time.